Ugh, I I'm so bored right now. I need to find something to do. Mm, maybe maybe I should turn on some music. Oh, frick no! You ain't doing all that. Well, why not? Because I told you why. You're no fun sometimes. I You never let me do whatever I want to do. Well, yeah, I always let you do nothing because, I don't know. It's just the way I want you to be. Now that's just stupid. I don't care if it's stupid or not. You're still not gonna listen to your music. Okay, that ain't right. She needs to start letting me do whatever I want to do. She thinks everything is her rules, but it's not. I heard that. You know what? I'll just find some laundry to do since you won't let me listen to music. Uh, don't be doing all that. Why? Because I said so. Ah! Why won't you let me start doing whatever I want to do? You never let me do whatever I want to do, even though that you're younger than me. Oh, whatever. Well, what should I do besides doing laundry? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Ugh. This is why your rules are stupid, because you never let me do whatever I want. Who cares about all that good stuff? I just don't care. You know what? I'm gonna turn it on anyway. Uh, please don't. Why? 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 You're still not gonna. Of what you just done, it's still ain't gonna help. It's still ain't gonna happen, I can tell you that. Ugh, why? Why do you never let me do whatever I want? Why did I turn on? You're a mediocre singer. I do! But I don't know why, but you're still not gonna listen to music. I can tell you that. Why? My sister's weird. I'm sorry. What did you just say to me? I didn't say anything. You a lie? Tell me. I said that you're the weirdest and the craziest machine ever. And what the heck? What the heck? What did you just call me? I didn't call you anything. I was just saying what, I forget. I am not crazy or weird. Well, to me, you act like it. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. No, I don't. My sister's in a nutshell. Well, can I turn music on now? No. It's time for you to start saying yes!